How to record a phone call conversation on the iPhone 16 series with a built-in feature. First, let's end the call first, and then I'm going to go back to my home screen. And on my home screen here, when you receive an incoming call, just pick up the call. So here I will send myself a call. So here I will call myself. I'll pick up the call. And when you pick up the call, there is a button up here. So you tap on that during the conversation. When you want to record the call, you tap on that button. And then it will say this call will be recorded in 3 seconds. And before the recording, the phone will automatically notify both parties that the call is being recorded so that the other person know that you are recording the call conversation. Okay, so during the call, you're talking in here, it will shows the sound wave to indicate that the phone is now actually recording. Depending if the audio is loud enough or not, it will tell you. And when you want to stop the recording, you can do so by tapping on that stop button there. So you can either tap on the end button to end the phone call as well as ending the recording. Otherwise, you can simply just end the recording and continue with your phone call. When you stop the recording, the phone will also notify both parties that the call recording has been stopped. And that's it. To view the recording, you can just open up the Notes app. In here, just go back to your folders and then open up the call recordings folder. In here, you will be able to locate your call. It will have the name of the note as call with the contact name or the name of the contact, as well as an audio file that you can tap on the play button to play your audio recording. And from here, you can also choose to save the audio to your files, or you can share your audio file. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.